this video we are going to understand the palindrome. Basically, palindrome is like if you write something in the like left to right direction and right to left direction, they both are like one and the same thing. Let's say I say here Malayalam, okay, and I press enter, so it says it is a palindrome. And if I run it one more time, I say let's say anything Hindi. I say Hindi, and it says it is not a palindrome. So basically what that means, so you need to understand the logic behind that. And the logic used is pretty simple. Like let's say I am writing Malayalam, so that is Malayam. So what we are doing first is we are finding the mid, like this is the middle value. Then we have to compare the first value with the last value, which is same. Then we have to compare the second value with the second value from the last, the third value from the beginning, third value with the last, fourth value from the beginning, fourth value from the last. We have to compare all these things. So if they are a match, then it's a palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome. So uh, let's take a look here. What we are doing, we are asking the user to enter a string. A string is basically a group of characters, a sentence that you write. So I have written Malayalam in this case, so that is also a string because it is a group of characters. Then we are finding what is the length of the character, like what is the length of the string. So in this case I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So my length here, length is 9 characters. Then what I have is position 1 and position 2, because we have to calculate the mid value, the half of the string. So that's why we are using two positions. First position is 1 and the second position is the last character. So what I am doing is I am saying position 1, that is P1, as first value, and I'm saying as position 2, that is the last value, in this case ninth character. And we are simply going with the first position character of the string if it is equals to the last position character of the string. In this case, the first position character, which is this, if it is equals to the last character. So what we are doing is we are saying we are simply changing the position by 1 and second position by -1. Then the second character, basically we have compared the first character, after that we have to compare the second character. So we are changing P as +1 and we are changing P2 position 2 as -1, so that will be 8. So that means now we have to compare this character with this character. So if they are a match, then we are changing this third character here, position +1, and the second position with -1. That will be 7. So that means now we will be comparing this character, this one, with this character. Then after that we will be changing the first position with +1 and the second position with -1. So that would be 6. So we have to compare this particular character with this particular character. So if they all go as a match, then by the end we will say that it is a palindrome, otherwise we will say it is not a palindrome.